How to add a payment method in Binance. If you want to buy or sell crypto on Binance P2P, you must add at least one payment method. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to add your bank account, Jazz Cash, EasyPesa, or any payment method inside Binance. Step 1. Open Binance app. Open the Binance app on your phone. Make sure you are logged in to your verified account. Step 2. Go to P2P section. Tap Trade from the bottom menu. Then select P2P. Here you will see all the payment methods available in your country. Step 3. Open Payment Method Settings. On the P2P page, tap the three dots in the top right corner. Then tap Payment Methods. This is where you add or edit your payment options. Step 4. Add a new payment method. Tap Add a Payment Method. You will see a list of options based on your country, like bank transfer, Jazz Cash, EasyPesa, Skrill, Payoneer, etc. Step 5. Select your payment method. Choose the method you want to add. Now enter the required details. For bank transfer, account holder name, bank name, account number, IBAN, if required. For Jazz Cash EasyPesa, your registered mobile number, your name exactly as on your account. Step 6. Save the payment method. After entering the details, tap Confirm or Save. Your payment method will now appear in the list. Step 7. Activate payment method for P2P trading. When you place a buy or sell order on P2P, select the payment method you saved. It will automatically appear as an option during the trade. Important tips to avoid issues. Use the same name on Binance and your bank account. Double-check your account number. Only add payment methods you own. Outro. And that's it. This is how you add a payment method in Binance for P2P trading in 2025. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more crypto guides.